Alright, Assembly Dojo. Tactic 23. Magnet involved. Make the object stick to the magnet when it gets close. The target tactic Scrabble can be extremely handy. Of course, you can make objects target stationary objects, and you can also make them target a follow moving objects. The magnet in this challenge doesn't have a particularly difficult travel pattern, but you may sometimes have an unpredictable travel pattern that you want another object to follow. Using the target action is tailor-made for that kind of thing. By doing so, you can even change the AI of the object you follow, and you want to have change the AI of the object targeted